you. I've been here for 2 hours each, and I ain't got my ticket yet.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Mobius in northern Utah, central Grantsville City in northern Utah, the city of Wood in northern Utah, Salt Lake County in northern Utah until 7:58 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:58 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rose Suburbia, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 25 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Salt Lake, Mobius City, Station Square, Comet Rose, Rose Suburbia, and Emerald Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.